Hello guys and welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will show you how I do my maintenance kind of interior detail so that my car stays clean. So the state of the car, as you can see, it's honestly not too bad. The car isn't too dirty, but as you can see there is some debris on the floor mats obviously, and there is obviously a dust on the dashboard and in the compartments. So yeah guys, let's start cleaning. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do is take all the trash out of the car. And yeah, I already did that, but the second step is that we need to kind of take out floor mats out of the car, and so we will do that now. Okay, as you can see, this is a floor mat from the back of the car, and it's not too bad. There is some debris over there, but it's nothing major, so we'll clean that. You can do this type of details, kind of maintenance details, only on the cars that are pretty clean already. You can't do them if the car is in a terrible shape. So this car is in pretty good shape, and I will show you how easy it is to maintain it. Okay, now, so we remove the floor mats and we remove the trash out of the car. And what is next? So then I like to start with the dusting of the car. That means that I will be taking a kind of makeup brush, I like this, for the dusting off obviously. And I will just go over on the surface, on the materials, and with that motion of the brush I will also be having a vacuum nearby, so that kind of all this dust can be vacuumed right away. So now let me show you how that looks. So yeah, I know that this process isn't too visual for the camera, for you guys to see, but I promise you that we vacuumed a lot of dust, and some detailers say that this step is necessary, some say that it isn't. Well, I will tell you like this: if the car is in a very good shape, meaning that the car doesn't have a lot of dust, you can skip this step. But bear in mind that this step will make other steps much more easier. So yeah, now I will complete the whole car and I will see you in the next step. Okay guys, so the next step in the maintenance detail is that I like to vacuum first. Okay, so these carpets are very clean already, so we probably don't need even to wet vacuum it. So yeah, I will go over with the dry vacuum and we will see the results. So yeah guys, just after dry vacuum it, look at those results. I mean, the carpet is absolutely perfect. It's like new. This is the power of the maintenance detail. You know, for the maintenance detail of the interior, I like to set myself a timer, let's say 30 minutes of vacuuming. That way I am not going overboard with my time. But yeah, I won't show you the whole car. I will show you just on the passenger side how to clean it and maintain it, and then you just go to the whole car and you have a whole car maintained. So next step will be cleaning. Well, for cleaning I like to use this. This is a Koch Chemie Polestar. It's a pH 7.0, so it's pH neutral, meaning that it's safe for almost every surface. You can clean the seats with it, you can clean the dashboard, you can clean the doors, plastics, aluminium, doesn't matter. Some detailers say that this smells like a wet dog, and I don't really get that. To me it smells kind of fresh up air, I don't know how to say it. To me it just smells like clean. So yeah, we will be putting around 20 milliliters of a product, which is very little but more than enough for this guy right here. So yeah guys, I tipped it with the water and it's foamed pretty great. Another thing that you will need is a microfiber cloth. But yeah guys, if you haven't tried Koch Chemie products yet, I heavily encourage you to do so. They are for me the best. What I really like about them is how dilutable they are. So maybe this was 10 bucks for the whole liter, I believe you get. And like you saw me, I put 20 milliliters in a whole pumper or sprayer, and it will last me probably for the whole car. Now, what I see many detailers get wrong is that if the car isn't that dirty, like this car isn't that dirty, they will still kind of get over it with the brush and brush it for the kind of more effect, I would say, because it looks good on camera, but it doesn't save you a lot of time. So what I like to do, if the car is dirty, then yes, I like to brush it and stuff like this and kind of agitate the spots. And maybe on some places I will still do that in this car, but let's say here where I cannot see any visible kind of debris or marks, what I like to do here is just pump this cleaner onto the microfiber cloth and then wipe it down. So I will show you. So look how great this foams firstly. I mean, it's just amazing. I put too much of a product here, but I did that to show you how good it foams. So yeah, I will just kind of now rub this into the microfiber cloth because I put too much of the product there. And then I will kind of just go over with the cloth, and it will clean just as effectively as if I will go over with the brush. If you need to get into the tight spaces, just unfold the cloth into a half or into a full size. I like to do it in the half, that way I can reach all the corners. Now again, for let's say this section, I like to pump it twice, or you can pump it directly onto the materials. I just like to pump it into the cloth. Now here I put a little bit on the material as well, so let me show you that it won't cause nothing. So yeah guys, this is it. Now I will show you the results that we got. So this door was pretty clean already, but look at the results we got. I mean, it's absolutely stunning. The Koch Chemie Polestar did an amazing job while being very gentle. But yeah guys, now I am in the back of the car on the back doors right here, and I saw a pretty good stain right here, and I want to show you how good the Polestar, while being gentle, will clean also these kind of stains. Okay guys, so here I will put the cleaner directly on the surface so that I will show you that it wouldn't leave any marks. And then we just wipe it off. I put a little bit too much of a cleaner right there. You can put very little of the product. So yeah guys, look at the results. It absolutely destroyed this kind of mark that was here. And guys, another thing is that you can put a lot of less product that I did here. I did it just to show you that it wouldn't leave any marks from the product itself. But yeah guys, it absolutely did an amazing job. But yeah guys, this is how you do a maintenance detail on your car. Now you just repeat that process through the whole car and your car will thank you. But yeah guys, the main thing is that I wanted to show you how easy it is to maintain your car if you kind of did a deep clean on it already. So guys, go do your maintenance detail on your car, and I would appreciate if you like it and subscribe to the channel. It would mean a lot to me. And thank you guys again, and I will see you in another one. Bye.